you for joining us with SDI TV. Today we're going to install a sway bar here on the rear of our 2017 RZR Turbo. It's a pretty easy install here, and we're going to go through a little bit differences of our sway bar link as well as what the stock one has. So what we have here is our SDI sway bar link, and what we're looking at here is the stock sway bar link that you can see here on the rear radius arm. As you can tell, the size difference of what we have is we have a full thick piece of aluminum here comparable to a welded piece of steel. We're using a 1/2-inch heims on either side that are adjustable here, so you can really fine tune this, as well as the stock ones. If you look here, actually use a rubber grommet inside here, and what happens is this actually breaks down and corrodes, and over time it actually gives it a lot of twist, so you're actually not getting quite the ultimate use out of your sway bar that you can, and that's why we offer our SDI sway bar links. So first thing that we want to do is we're actually going to take off our sway bar link on just one side at a time. This uses a 15mm socket, so just an open-end 15mm and a socket on the one side, and we're going to go ahead and remove that now. With the two nuts removed, it's a little tight in there. You might have to use a hammer just to get it out just a little bit. You can always turn on those threads to make sure that's clean. Now with our stock sway bar link removed, we can install our SDI link. The SDI link has these high misalignment spacers that are used in the 1/2-inch heims that are. We just do one side at a time. We're going to do the clevis side on the bottom first. And then we'll go ahead and put the misalignments on the top and get that bolt through before we tighten up. Now with the SDI sway bar installed on the car, we can go ahead and tighten this down. With the easy adjustment on this, we can actually just turn the physical rod itself to set the length of it. And using a 19mm open wrench, we can actually go ahead and tighten up the jam nuts once we get to length. There we go. We have one side installed. Easy install on this. Just duplicate the other side. Keep it tight. Easy to do trackside in the desert or in your garage. Always check back with SDI TV with new tech tips and installs. Thank you for joining us.